Today we're going to be building a survival shelter, our version of a A-frame debris hut. And step one in building any shelter is clearing the ground. So I've got this rectangle cleared out. This is just enough for me to sleep here. And let's bring you into step two. Okay, now that you've cleared out your ground, you can start with the actual A-frame. Okay, for your entrance, you'll have these two sticks in a V. These should be some of the biggest sticks that you have for your entire shelter. And then we have the ridge pole. This is going to need to be strong enough to hold all of the debris that you put on top of this to make it waterproof. And the next step in this step is to take smaller diameter, sticks like this, and just put them along the ridge pole on both sides, and then cover it with debris. The debris is what's going to keep it waterproof, and the sticks are what's going to hold up the debris. And you'd be surprised how widely you can space these things before the debris will fall through. Just make sure you have enough. Okay, on to step 3. Okay, now step 3. Now that you've got all your ridge poles spread out, you can start to apply your debris. Now, we have marsh grass since we're in a marsh here, and just take bundles of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, and just kind of spread it out along your ridge pole, and keep doing this until it's covered, and then recover it to make sure there's no light shining through, and make sure it's thick. This is what's going to keep your shelter waterproof. Okay, now on to step 4. Okay, and this is your finished product. Now that you have it all covered with multiple layers, making it nice and waterproof, inside should look dark as possible, and it should look tight. And that's what's going to keep you warm and what will make you survive. You don't really need a door for this, but if you do, you can get a bundle of marsh grass, and when you go in, pull it in behind you to block up the entrance. And make sure when you're doing the top ridge line here, you're crisscrossing and there's excess stuff hanging out. I'm kind of hoarse. And just make sure it's sticking up, that way it doesn't go along your ridge pole and drip on you in the middle of the night. And this is just a real simple survival shelter that we built, me and my cameraman built with just our knives, and it turned out really awesome. And you can do this too with a little bit of practice, and remember, safety is always our #1 concern here. So don't do anything that's unsafe. Make sure you have like a parent's permission if you're over 18. Just make sure there's no problems. And go out and do this stuff. It's fun. So until then,
please don't forget to subscribe and check out our website with a link in the description below.
And remember, plan for the best, prepare for the rest.